Hello guys, Sanjay here and welcome back to a new video. This is going to be part 2 of a video which I made almost a year back. In that video, I showed you guys how I made few things smart and how I controlled those by using Alexa. This video is going to be an extension of it where I'll talk about few extra routines that I added, few extra gadgets that I added and how I'm using my Alexa. By the way, in this video, I'm going to also use this Echo Show 8. The last year's Echo Show which I was using was a little bit too big for the living room. It became too big because we added a lot of gear in the hall. So I moved it into the bedroom and I got this Echo Show 8-inch version for hall setup. So we are going to use this in this particular video. First of all, I want to show you something really interesting. If you whisper to Alexa, then it will whisper you back. Let me just show you that. Alexa, what's the weather like?
Currently, in Mumbai, Maharashtra, it's 30 degrees Celsius with dreary skies. Tonight, you can expect just a few clouds in the sky.
Thank you. Alexa. Okay, so as you saw, it whispered back. This is something which I found very recently and I always keep doing this like, Alexa, don't. Yeah, okay. Now let's get to the video. By the way, if you have not watched the first part of this video, then I would highly recommend you to do that. Maybe you can watch it right now or you can watch it later as well after finishing this video. The video will be linked in the description box below and will also be available at the end of this video. First thing that I'm going to talk about is this Oak remote which can control all IR controlled devices basically, meaning AC, TV, fan. If you have IR controlled fan, then that can be controlled, and I will keep this behind this box. My AC is over there, my fan is over here on the top, and still I will be able to control that. Setting up Oak remote is very easy. Just download the app from Play Store, sign into it and select your device like AC model and everything. If fan is not there in the application, then you can select custom and use your remote to set it up. It's very easy. I'm 100% sure that you can do it as well. So let me just say, Alexa, turn on AC.
Okay.
And the AC is turned on over here. Not just that, I can also change the temperature by saying, Alexa, change AC temperature to 17 degrees. And the temperature is changed as well. I can also start the fan by saying, Alexa, turn on fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off fan.
Okay.
And the fan will be turned off. Now this can be used to any IR control device basically, as I mentioned earlier, and you can set custom buttons. Like if you have a device which has volume up, volume down, then that can be set manually as well. This is a great addition to smart home setup and I use it all the time. I do not even have to get out of bed. I can simply say, Alexa, turn on AC. Don't. Yeah, okay, good. Now when you keep a big device like this with touch screen, whenever a child comes, the child is going to, oh, touch screen, home, this, that. You can simply say to engage the child basically, Alexa, play 1, 2, 3 math.
Okay. Here's 1, 2, 3 math.
I'm going to select easy because I do not want to get an answer wrong. I'll show you one question.
For the easy level is 281. Let's get started. You can change your difficulty level at any time.
Okay.
By saying, which number comes before 16?
15. Yes. So my answer is right. Similarly, there are a lot of skills which you can definitely utilize to engage a child and make sure that they use this and they learn something new basically. Next up, I'm going to talk about how I am going to create a routine to start my AC and air purifier just 10 minutes before I'm going to come home. So let me just show you how I created a routine. By the way, I showed this in my last video as well where I did a routine of something. Simply open up Amazon Alexa application, then click on more, select routines, then select plus icon, enter routine name. I'm going to select my room. I'm going to select next. When this happens when I say dash dash, make my room ready. I'm going to select next, add action. What is going to happen when I say this? I want air purifier to turn on. So smart home, all devices, air purifier, power turned on, fan speed to maximum possible. And oscillation, yes, I want it to rotate because I have the Dyson air purifier which can rotate 360 degrees. I also want the AC to be turned on, so I'll select plus icon. I'll go to smart home once again, all devices, all AC. I'll select power on, set temperature to, let's select Celsius first. Set temperature to, no, I want it to be 20 degrees Celsius, and select next. And I'm going to save it because I will say this particular thing when I'm going to reach home just 10 minutes before that, so that the room will be ready for me. So there are a few things which also include my room. So I'm going to select make the room ready, and let's see if that works. Alexa, make the room ready.
Okay.
And now it will turn off air purifier, and it also turned on the AC over there. If you can hear it. As I mentioned earlier, I have two Echo Show devices, one in hall, one in bedroom. Now, even if you have like Echo Dot, then you can do this thing. You can call from one device to other device if you have the same account basically. And this works so good. I can simply say, Alexa, call bedroom Echo Show.
Calling bedroom Echo Show.
I can just pick up the call over here, and this is me. Hi, I brought it in hall because we wanted to shoot, and I can talk to the Alexa very easily. I'm going to cut the call because it will echo over here, but this is a very handy feature in my opinion. Get to Echo Show, one in hall, one in bedroom, and you're good to go. Now next up, I'm going to talk about another routine which I have started using, which I feel is really good. So water purifiers usually take about 3, 4 or 5 minutes depending on which water purifier you have to start dispensing water, and my water purifier takes about 4 minutes. So what I've done, I created a routine of water purifier. Whenever I say Alexa, start water purifier, a smart plug will turn on. It will wait for 2 minutes, and after that it will say your water purifier is ready, and then it will wait for 5 minutes, another 5 minutes, because then I will fill the water in, and it will turn off the smart plug automatically. So you can see how it looks right now on the routine section. Alexa, start water purifier. A lot of us enjoyed Mirzapur, and if you have a friend who always says that I am a bigger Mirzapur fan than you are, then you can challenge them when they come at your place by saying, Alexa, play Mirzapur quiz.
First to 5 points wins. To undo an answer, say
Now
undo.
you can, obviously you got the gist of it, you can continue playing the quiz, and if you have multiple friends like up to 5 players, then you can keep on playing and you will enjoy that. And I guess that's pretty much it for this particular video. I still have the old things which I talked about, like I'll just turn on my tube light and I'll say, Alexa, turn off hall tube light. And it will still work. If you are wondering whether I'm using the old setup, like all the gadgets that I showed in the last year, yes, we do. And I guess that's pretty much it for this particular video. Don't forget to watch the part 1 of this video, which is present over here, because that's very interesting as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. If you still have any more doubts, suggestions, queries regarding this video or smart home setup that you're planning to build, you can comment down below, or best thing, you can tweet it to me at @Dhananjay_tech. Not just that, get subscribed to the channel so that you do not miss the future smart home content that I will be uploading. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.